What is up? So today we have the McRib. Let's open it up. Boom. As you can see, the limited edition container. I want to flip it like that way. McRib. I haven't had this in a long time. So let's see if it's as good as I remember. And we have diamond on the floor. We are going in. Look how sloshy it is. Stop it. I already know. We'll take one more bite. No. Dropped the onion. Well, tastes really good. The barbecue sauce is way better than those little, where's the camera? Those packet barbecue sauces that are like this big. And yeah. So out of 5, just for the flavor, I don't know how to describe it. It's not like the school patty rib, or maybe it is, but the sauce just makes it taste different. So out of 5, it will get a 4.6. It's really good. I recommend. I have barbecue sauce on my face. I recommend you getting. I thought it was string. I recommend you getting it before it's all gone. Yep. So that's the video. See ya.